Are you paying too much for your property? In my previous video, I shared that you should not be paying at a price that is close to the next asset class. In this part, I'm going to share with you the sweet spot for each area in OCR, RCR, and CCR. First of all, we can see that for the CCR area, the average transaction is at 3051 PSF. For RCR, the average transaction is at 2686 PSF. And for OCR, the average transaction is at 2107 PSF. So these are the average PSF for the new launch condos. Now, when it comes to the quantum, for CCR, the average transacted price is about 3.5 million. For RCR, the average transacted price is about 2.5 million. And for OCR, the average transacted price is about 2 million. Again, these are for new launch condos. Next, we're going to look at resale market. The average transacted PSF in the CCR area is at 2180 PSF. The average in RCR is at 1833 PSF. The average in OCR is at 1429 PSF. We're going to look at the quantum now. For CCR, the average transacted price is about 3 million. For RCR, it's close to 2 million. And for OCR, it's about 1.5 million. And these are for resale condos. But the average transacted price does not mean that this is the amount that people are willing to pay, because it consists of the old condos as well as the newer resale condos. So based on the income to price ratio that I've shared before in this video, based on the future possible price of the property market in Singapore as I shared in this video, and based on new launch versus resale, which I shared in this video, we're going to look at the sweet spot for each region where people are willing to pay and that there's still room for potential upside. First of all, in the new launch condo, the price range where majority are willing to pay is between $1.5 million to $3 million. For the resale condo, it's between $1 million to $3 million. So majority of the people are not willing to pay for a condo that's above $3 million, because above $3 million, you can actually buy cluster housing or freehold landed. Next, you can see that majority of the people still prefer 3-bedroom condo, followed by 2-bedroom condo. If you want to buy 1-bedroom condo for investment, my advice to you is that keep your money. For preferred living space, most people still prefer above 800 square feet. And this is for a budget of up to 2 million. So 800 square feet to 1,200 square feet. Honestly, at 600 over square feet for the new launch nowadays, when you have a child, it is very difficult to live inside. Now, to find out how much people are generally willing to pay for the resale condo in each region, we need to find out how much people have paid for the new launch in that region. In the OCR area, we take Chuan Park as an example. People have paid up to 2.5 million for a 3-bedder. If you look at Lentor Modern, in the OCR, it is also close to 2.5 million. Since the price gap between new launch and resale condo is about 33% as shared in this video, the sweet spot for OCR resale condo will be about 2 million. Remember, what I'm sharing is all for 3-bedders because that's the most common bedroom that people want to buy. Yes, you can definitely go below 2 million, but try not to go much higher than that. At 2 million, it gives you room for further upside. At the same time, it ensures that there is still a large pool of buyers who will buy from you when you exit in future. Now, taking the price gap between OCR and RCR at 21.87%, the sweet spot for RCR 3-bedder resale condo will be at 2.5 million and below. Next, taking the price gap of 13.94% between RCR and CCR, the sweet spot for CCR 3-bedroom resale condo will be below 3 million. Remember, I shared earlier that majority of condo buyers are not willing to buy condos above $3 million. So in general, if you're buying resale condo and you want to have room for upside and for future exits, try not to go above 2 million for OCR area unless it's a really good condo. For the RCR area, try not to go above 2.5 million. And for the CCR area, try not to go above 2.9 or 3 million. If you have more questions, you can always ask a different kind of agent. I will see you in the next video.